Ever wish your Garmin dash cam could keep an eye on your car even when you're not around? With the parking mode feature, your dash cam stays powered while your vehicle is off, monitoring any motion or impacts in front of your car. This means you get peace of mind knowing what's happening, even when you're away. I recently installed this feature on my Garmin dash cam 56, and it's been a game changer. Setting it up was surprisingly simple. Just a few steps in the Garmin Drive app to customize how the camera records while parked. You can choose to record motion, impacts, or both, depending on how much activity you want to capture outside your vehicle. If your car is parked in a busy area with lots of foot traffic or passing cars, you might want to limit recordings to impact only. That way, you avoid unnecessary videos every time someone walks by. But if you're curious about what's going on around your vehicle, motion detection gives you that extra layer of awareness. Just keep in mind, it's not designed to catch thieves since they could steal the camera and memory card before any alerts. Installation was straightforward for me. If you're comfortable with basic wiring, you can do it yourself using fuse taps, which are easy to find online or at auto supply stores. If not, any stereo shop or mechanic can handle the install quickly. This flexibility means you can get your dash cam ready to protect your vehicle without hassle. One thing to consider is the price Garmin charges for this feature separately. Many users feel it should be included with the dash cam itself or offered at a lower cost. Despite that, the added security and convenience parking mode provides make it worth the investment if you want reliable monitoring when your car is parked. If you own any Garmin dash cam model, like the dash cam 45, 46, 47, 55, 56, 57, 65W, 66W, 67W, Mini, Mini 2, or Tandem, this feature is compatible and ready to boost your vehicle's security. It's a smart way to protect your investment and stay informed about your surroundings. So, if you're looking to enhance your dash cam's capabilities and keep your car safer while parked, parking mode is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to add that extra layer of protection without complicating your setup.